Hello, a day with full of blessings, positivity, and success. I-claim nyo na. Ayan, from the universe. Ito ay biyaya at gabay para i-motivate tayo sa pang-araw-araw nating gawain. Ayan. So, these cards sa harap natin ngayon ay para sa isang pamilya na unang-una kong napanood dito sa YT World. At recently, parang bigla silang pumasok sa isipan ko ng many times na. So, it's like paulit-ulit na lang sa isang araw na nararamdaman ko na parang something's going on to their lives. So, naisipan ko na wag muna silipin yung ano nila, kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay nila. Kasi medyo matagal ko na silang hindi na napapanood. Pero una-una ko silang napanood since 2016. So, buntis pa si Mrs. Ahern sa bunso nila. Yun yung una kong napanood sa ano nila, sa vlog nila. Ngayon, wala na akong balita. So, hindi ko muna binuksan o pinanood na yung ano yung latest sa kanila. Ayan. So, ito yung mga cards na lumabas. Ayan. Samahan nyo akong alamin kung ano ang mga ito. Ayan. So, randomly na lang po yung aanuin natin. So, may sorry, major numbers or pangyayari or situation na paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa buhay nila. Ayan. So, consequences, nandyan pa rin. Yung mga hindi nila makontrol na emotions or from other people. Ayan. So, sabi niya, you have reached the point in your life where you feel like nobody cares and interested for you na. Ayan. So, you need to change to overcome the blockages, allow the natural space and seeds of productivity to grow from the heart in order to reach and receive your reward. Ayan. There is too much negativity from other people that affects you to continue what you're doing, what your ideas are, what your plans, yan. You will never finish everything of that. Ayan. You need to stop a generational curse from the family that keeps coming. Ayan. To claim the blessings that that you are wishing for. Ayan. Changes. You need changes. Like, there is failure from everything that you were doing, some hasty decisions, some impulsive things, ayan, may greed din, mga frustrations, ayan. You need to change your route and the situation you are in, ayan. Kasi hindi nyo may iwasan yung ibang tao na masisira sa inyong buhay, sa inyong pamilya, na hihilain kayo pababa. So, ang nafe-feel natin ngayon ay parang dumadaan. The family is into something very deep situation that they can't handle anymore. Yan. You need to hold on to the things that are coming new. Yan. Sabi nga niya, changes. Kung ano yung dapat nyong palitan sa nature ng pamumuhay nyo, sa nature ng decision nyo, na kunyari, nagplano kayo ng isang bagay, pero hindi nyo tinatapos, or mga ganon. Hindi nyo siya tinatapos. At mga bagay na naumpisahan nyo na, tapos parang nagsawa na kayo, tapos iniwanan nyo agad, mga ganon. Hindi nyo tinapos. Yan, mga you need to have strong and solid foundation to your plans, to your goal, to whatever you want to do in your life, whatever you want to mga ganon. Because when you are just the change, you don't know how to use the change, you will never claim whatever you are wishing for. Sabi niya. So change the situation. There are two ways. You have two ways route to follow. The short, for the short, or the negative impact to your family, or the longer. Yan. There's no shortcut in life. There's no shortcut direction in life. You need to finish everything. Yan. Don't be sawa agad. So, ang pinag-uusapan natin ay ang pamilyang The Ahern. Yan. So, sana bumuti na ang kalagayan ng mga pamumuhay nila. Pag-pray natin sila na yung mga dinadanas nila ngayon na frustration, yung feeling nila na babaliwala sila, sana malampasan nila yun. Yan. Umiikot lang din ang buhay natin. So, patuloy lang po tayo. Maraming salamat. Thank you. And God bless. Paalam na.